Hey! I'm almost underneath the street light. Now, yesterday, I did a shot. It took me like an hour and a half plus. And I'm shooting with the, yeah, you got it, the DJI Action 3. And I was doing a review. I just could not get it right. And I had everything on the way I set it up. And I got a question, and I'm going to answer that question for you. Right? Pretty nice indeed if asked. So yeah, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me on this early hour ride. Let me turn my camera around this way so you can see some of the lights that are on this area that's flickering. There you go. Alright, so down below, hit the bell, subscribe, show a like, do what you want. I'm here to help you out. My camera setup should be 4K, 24 frames per second. It's either Horizon Balancing or Rocksteady Plus. Right? Now, so we're going on with white balance at 5400 Kelvin, and the EV is on a negative 0.7. Now, also, I believe the ISO is 100. Maximum going to be 12,800. Did I forget anything? No. I left Pro off and just have color enhancement on. And that should be actually what I'm shooting with. I'm under a light. I'm going to turn a light on me. So now I am pretty well lit and set up. Yesterday when I did my video, I was with Pro on and also 10-bit, and that should disable the color enhancement on, and that's exactly what I was shooting at. And sure enough, I did my video for over an hour and a half. I had a problem where I just didn't like what I was shooting, and I kept on re-editing and re-editing and re-editing, meaning kept on redoing my shoots. I even had the iPhone hooked up, and it was hooked up to the wireless DJI Mimo app. Top it all off, I had my Tech wireless mic on, and yes indeed, everything worked just fine. I started to lose battery power down the road, not soon after. And my camera lasted, like I said, at least an hour to two. So the question goes, how much drawer consumption power is used with color enhancement enabled? I don't know, because the battery indicator is something to be desired. It may show the indication in numbers of your percentage, but then goes back to the old-fashioned battery indication. So the power right now shows me just on full, and I've been shooting about 10 scenes, edited, deleted, did some things with the camera, and I am running a good number of shots. DJI released the specs on it, did they? I think not. GoPro, when they have their camera, do they release specs when they do updates? I think not. So just go out, enjoy your camera. If you want a bench test, or somebody else did, they're sharing the results. The camera will last a long time. My camera won't overheat. My camera won't run down on power. My camera will do a good job. Ah, lit up. Really nice. Holidays are here and nearing. If you want to make that choice to get one of these cameras, that would be something you would have to decide. Maybe Santa's coming with your camera if it's a DJI Action or GoPro Hero 11. Yes, indeed. Santa, did you bring my present with me? Good morning.
Good morning.
Beautiful outfit.
Thank you.
Any presents you're gonna put on it? No gift? Be the topper on it, the bag in the back.
I think it's enough.
You got it. Have a happy holiday.
Happy holiday to you too.
Thank you.
Have a nice morning.
You too. Enjoy. At least the person was nice. The other person, when I tried to do a little filming, I got yelled at. That's the way we are. We're courtesy. We talk nice to people. We're not nasty like some online. We have another Christmas decoration. And it's behind glass. And that is pretty indeed. All set up. You got the wreath, Christ, and a baby. And decorated on the windows. Yes, indeed. Off we go. I'm at the beach, a different area, scoping out. The sun is starting to come up, starting to rise. You can see that I came out from the dark, going into the light. The camera does a good job. I still see a full battery. I checked, I was definitely under 100 and over 90, somewhere about 97 to 95%. What if I take my gloves off and look at the battery and press it while recording? It looks like 94%. And I press it again, or 92%. That's what I see. It's definitely above 92%. With the Action 3, I like the way the mode button is set in ways, because now I just switched to HDR. It remembered my Pro setting, so I am on officially 10-bit color. Can you have 10-bit and color enhance both at the same time? Or is color enhance just a way of saying vivid? Or is color enhance partially of 10-bit? Now I got light in the background going towards the camera, but the light is going that way. So would this shot be good for HDR, or do I need to take the camera and do one of these and turn it around? As you can see how quickly I brightened up and looked pretty awesome. Do I really need to have HDR on with Pro 10-bit and all that good stuff? I'm gonna do this shot again just with the video, and then you could compare the video of HDR to the video of video. I'm sorry, I don't have the time to figure out what's happening here because I got my bike over there, somebody's coming down. So I'm gonna get on out of here and just give you an idea of with it all turned off. There you go. Nice and bright. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna head on back. I got other things to do. And I hope these videos really helped you out. Alright. I'm not 100% sure now what my camera was set on to from the beginning and get-go. But it's definitely set on to what I was setting. And when I went to look at the back screen, I was definitely on color enhance. So I'm not sure why it changed with the Pro HDR. I put the cage on the frame thinking I could get an easier button press. Not as much, if asked. The bus is honking me. Wants to let me know he's there. So, if you watched my videos the other day of the Action 3 and Deer RC, both, that was a personal review. All of my phones. I enjoy getting stuff as well. I'm going to send that video over to the company. And Jana may like it, may not. And maybe they'll get with me to do some reviews. Oh yeah, I hope you all have a great day. I am having fun with my Action 3 for sure. Let's get on out of here and go get some work done. Well, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here.